Hi, it's Jason Digos with Rockford Fosgate RTTi here. Today we're going to talk to you about the importance of subwoofers. The biggest misconception is that subwoofers are only for those that want to crank up the bass and make their system boom. Subwoofers are designed to create whatever listening level the listener wants. Subwoofers are dedicated solely to reproducing low frequencies, like the beating of a drum. No matter what kind of music you like, or how softly or loudly you like to listen, subwoofers are a crucial part of your overall listening experience. Small car speakers have trouble producing enough low-frequency sound to give your music realism and depth. A subwoofer can make the difference between a good-sounding system and a great-sounding system.
Here at Rockford Fosgate, we've built our reputation on great bass and recreating that low-frequency sound. Our subwoofers are designed and engineered at our headquarters in Tempe, Arizona. Our subwoofers dish out powerful lows that will accentuate any music's deep strengths. One of the benefits of Rockford subs that allow them to recreate the sound so efficiently is a parabolic geometry cone support system. Most subs either don't produce enough sound because the cone is too heavy and needs more power to move it, or they are too loose and vibrate uncontrollably, smearing every note with the one before and the next one coming, hiding the detail of your music. The dust cap on Rockford Fosgate P3 subwoofers is bonded to a Kevlar fiber reinforced cone, allowing the cone to remain lightweight but also rigid enough to reduce any distortion. This means the sub requires very little power from your system to give you the performance you want, and it's lightweight enough to reproduce every note without smearing. The subwoofer cone is only one important part of a subwoofer. The voice coil is a part where electrical current passes to move the cone up and down. Voice coils move very quickly during a listening period and can generate a lot of heat, which can deform the voice coil former. If the voice coil former becomes deformed, it will play outside the voice coil gap and cause what's known as a blown speaker. Rockford Fosgate subwoofers use an aluminum voice coil former, which allows a voice coil to dissipate heat more efficiently so that it doesn't deform and fail at peak performance. This way you can listen to your music as softly or as loudly as you desire without any damage to the subwoofer. At Rockford Fosgate, we have designed both our voice coil and P3 subwoofer basket with aluminum to help dissipate heat. But there's another technology built in to reduce the heat right at the source, and that is the Venturi effect venting system found in P2 and P3 subwoofers. Within all subwoofers, there is a certain amount of heat that is generated in the voice coil. Rockford Fosgate's Venturi effect vent design increases the airspeed across these key thermal masses, maximizing the cooling effectiveness of the subwoofer. The result is that our subs run cooler and more efficiently with less noise and more detail. The basket that houses all the components of a subwoofer can not only help but also hurt the subwoofer. The basket is susceptible to vibrating just like the cone, which can add unwanted noise to the music. Using a die-cast aluminum basket in the P3 and a stamp-cast steel basket in P2 and P1 woofers adds rigidity, which reduces its acoustic resonances, thereby reducing any possible distortion from it.
So whether you want to rock out in your 1969 Pontiac GTO or mellow out to the sounds of jazz in your convertible on a sunny afternoon, Rockford Fosgate subs will be there to ensure that you hear the music just as if you were at a concert. Thanks for taking the time to learn a little bit about Rockford Fosgate subwoofers today. And make sure you check out the other two parts of this series where we discuss speakers and amplifiers. I'm Jason Digos with RTTi. We'll see you next time.